Hello to everyone. My topic is about simple trigonometric function. This is very easy. So I will start my discussion. Students wants to learn, please observe this discussion. So I have here integral of sine 5 theta d theta. So I will let u is equals to 5 theta. Differentiating both sides, that will be du is equals to 5 d theta. Then divide both sides by 5. 5 will be crossed out. So I have now du over 5 is equals to d theta. Okay? So this will be integral of sine. What is 5 theta? That is u. Then what is d theta? That is du over 5. So this will be multiplied by du over 5. Since this is constant, so I will place 1 over 5 outside of the integration symbol. So this will be 1 over 5 integral of sine u du. Okay. In integration, so we have sine u du is equals to negative cosine u plus c. So this will be 1 over 5 integral of sine, that will be negative cosine u plus c. Sorry, this is c. This will be plus c. So negative times positive, this will be negative 1 over 5 cosine. What is u? U is 5 theta. Then this will be plus c. So this is now my final answer. That's all. Thanks for watching.